Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect Binance to Bookmap. And if you want to do this, the first thing that we are going to do is go to settings, manage plugins, and search right here for Binance. And right now I see Binance standing right there. So I click here on install, and then he is saying platform Binance adapter is installed and ready to use. So now we click on OK. We do OK again, and we click right here on connections, configure, and we do right here add connection. Then right now he's automatically finding Binance right here. So that is fine for now. And then you see right here that we can use it directly. Also click on enable trading, fill in your API key and you can use it from there. But right now if you do OK, and right now if you go to connections and select right here Binance, he is loading right now a Binance instrument. So now he did it right here, and now we are using, if you can see, Binance on Bookmap. So this is how you can use Binance on Bookmap. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.